This is a Pilates-inspired booty workout. We'll start in a tabletop position. Starting with the left leg, we'll warm up the hips here, so you'll take circles in one direction, pointing your toe, bending your knee, nice and slow. Beautiful. Circle in the opposite direction. Slowly taking your time, keeping that toe pointed. Last one. Keep your knee bent, toe pointed, and lift the leg toward the sky. Exhale as you lift, and inhale as you lower. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold at the top, curtsy here, bring your left knee behind the right, and then lift your leg back to the sky, knee bent, and lift back to the sky. 8 more here. You've got it, keep breathing. Inhale to lower, exhale, lift. Beautiful work. Beautiful. Pause at the top and pulse here, about an inch or two. Engaging through your left glute, you're just slightly lifting the leg. 7, 6, 5, keep pointing your toe. 4, 3, 2, and then lower down onto your right elbow. Point your left toe, and then you'll bring your left knee toward the left shoulder, and then extend your leg back. Left knee toward the left shoulder, and then extend your leg back for 8. Engage your obliques. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Square your left hip down, flex through your left ankle now, and lower the toes down and lift the leg up, keeping the leg straight here for 6, 5, 4, booty's probably on fire by now. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Pause here and curl the left heel toward the left glute, and then straighten the leg. Curl the heel toward the glute and straighten for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We'll take some fire hydrants, but with a kick. So you'll bring your knee down and then lift your left knee out to the side, and then kick the left leg straight. Bend the left knee once more, lower the knee down. Lift, kick, bend, and lower for 8, 7. You've got it. Nice and slow. Make sure you're flexing through your left ankle. Keep your core engaged here. Beautiful. And then come to lie down on your right side. We'll keep working that left leg. You can support your head here and then bend your knees in front of you, and you'll just lift the left leg off the ground. Keep the toes together and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Beautiful. Keep breathing here. Slow, steady motions. You're doing amazing. Straighten both legs now. And take your top leg, that left leg, and just lift it up and down, pointing your toes, keeping the leg nice and straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll onto your stomach. And then press back to a child's pose, pausing for a moment before we switch sides. And then as you're ready, we'll come into tabletop and we'll flow through that same circuit on the right side this time. We'll warm up the hip first, take those circles in one direction 4 times, nice and slow. Beautiful. Switch directions, pointing your toe. Beautiful. And then keep the knee bent, toe pointed, lift the leg straight up, engage that right glute and lower down, lift up and lower for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We'll take that curtsy, bring the right knee behind the left, and then kick the leg back to the sky, keeping the knee bent, toe pointed here. Beautiful work. Gorgeous. Pause at the top. And then take those little pulses for 10, 9, just an inch or two, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down onto your left elbow, straighten the right leg, and then bend your right knee and bring your right knee toward the right shoulder, and then extend the leg back and straight. Bend the knee, bring it toward the right shoulder, extend the leg back, straightening out, engaging the obliques and still feeling the glutes here. Pointing your toe for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Square your hips, flex through the right foot this time. And then bring the right toes down and lift the heel up, keeping the leg straight, engaging your right glutes once more as the heel comes up toward the sky. Nice and slow. And then we'll take those hamstring curls, curl that right heel toward the right glute, and then straighten the right leg. Curl the heel in and straighten. Beautiful. Feel the engagement through your right hamstrings. Keep engaging your core. We'll take those fire hydrants with a kick, bring the knee down, lift your right knee up, kick, heel back in, and lower the knee down. Lift the right knee up, kick, heel back in, lower the knee down. Beautiful work. Keep breathing, engage your core. Beautiful. And then come to lay on your left side. Bend your knees 90 degrees here, point the toes, and just lift your right knee up, keeping the toes together, opening up, and then lowering the knee back down. The right knee is lifted just slightly. Straighten both legs this time, and you'll just lift that right leg up and down, pointing your toe. Nice straight leg. Using your left arm to support your head. And then roll onto your back. We'll take 10 bridges here. Inhale to prepare. And then as you exhale, lift your hips toward the sky. Inhale, lower back down. Exhale, lift, engage your glutes, nice and slow. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. And then hold at the top and bring your left foot to a tabletop position. Point your toe, hugging your left knee in towards your chest. Lower your left toe down, and then lower your hips down and back up. Toe comes to the earth, left knee back to the chest, and lower down for a single leg bridge. Beautiful. Lift the hips, toe comes down, knee comes back in, lower and lift. Beautiful. This is a really challenging move, so be patient with yourself. Beautiful. And then just take a break here before we switch sides. You can hug your knees in towards your chest and just pause. We'll start with 10 bridges again. Lift the hips toward the sky and lower the hips down. Exhale as you lift and inhale as you lower. Slow and steady. And then pause at the top. Bring that right leg to tabletop. Point your toe, knee toward the chest. Lower your right toe toward the earth. Knee back into the chest. Lower the hips down. And then lift the hips up. Toe to the earth. Knee to the chest. Lower the hips and lift them up. Beautiful work. Take your time. Beautiful. Last one. You're almost done with this workout. And then release. Amazing job. Take a full body stretch. And then we'll take a reclined figure 4 on the right side. Cross your right ankle over the left thigh, pressing that right knee away from you. Staying there, or you can hug your left knee in towards your chest. Feeling that nice release for the outer thigh and the glutes. And release and switch sides. Cross the left ankle over the right thigh as you press your left knee away from you, maybe hugging the right knee in toward the chest. And release. Great work. Thank you for working out with me. If you enjoyed this class, please like, subscribe, share, donate, or become a member. Thank you.